guys, and welcome back to another video of wyattlifetv. We are making slime for the third time. Guys, so we don't have any more time today to keep recording, but I will keep playing with this because we will have fun. Because Mommy's phone is getting a little hot, so we had to turn it off because we have to turn it off because we don't want it to overheat. So bye for now, guys. Make sure to hit the like button and smash that. Make sure to smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notifications bell. And don't forget to watch my other videos. If you don't know what my channel is called, just click in the icon up there in the corner. Like, if you see like the circle with the wyattlifetv, if you ever go on YouTube, if it ever does go to YouTube, if you see that icon in YouTube, just click on it and you go to all my videos. I don't know if it's already on YouTube. I don't think it is because I haven't gone viral yet, which is why I'm still on adult YouTube. I am doing stuff that is made for kids. It's just none of my videos have gone viral yet, so none of them have gone on YouTube. But once one of my videos have, probably all of them will. Because it only takes one video viral to get all of your videos on viral, baby. One video goes viral, that means all videos go viral. But for now, make sure to keep doing fun. Don't forget to keep doing fun stuff. Take breaks from electronics. Don't be like my dad and play games all day. And shout out to Riley and Brady for watching this, if they do watch this video. Bye for now. Bye. But today we're going to be making regular slime. So what we're going to need is some borax. We didn't have borax in the one. We didn't have borax to make real slime before, so we couldn't. But we tried anyway. And we need some Elmer's glue. We need these two things and that thing right there, which is half a tablespoon, I think.
Tablespoon?
Or a tablespoon. And then these are
half a cup.
This is a 1 cup.
Those are both half cups.
So these are both half cups, and these is food coloring and water. I don't know if any of them are hot water, but they're probably all cold water. Yeah. So let's get started. Ooh, I can see the camera through here.
It looks so
glass.
weird.
It's made out of glass.
It looks so weird.
Okay, let's get started.
The very first thing you need is
glue.
a half cup of water in your bowl.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I thought it was glue.
Pour it very carefully.
5.5 cups. Do I just pour the whole bottle?
No.
Is it around half a cup of water?
That's good. This is half a cup. This is half a cup.
Yes, sir.
Do I need to pour it in here, or can I just...
Measure it out.
That's it.
Okay, Wyatt, now you need a half cup of glue.
So if I get the glue, I can unscrew it. I thought it was glue first, because most people, when they make slime, they use glue first. Then they use borax, and then they use water. Oh, I thought this was already open.
Nope, it's not.
This is new? Why does it still have the top cover on it? We used it before. So we can get some glue. Glue, glue, glue. That's enough. Ooh, that's the tippy top. That's the tippy top. Oh, there's still some water left in here.
I got it in one shot.
Whoa, the glue is floating. Oh, now it's saying
Floating glue.
it's it.
It looks weird.
Now I'm pretty sure we mix it.
Can you wash this off?
We don't need that anymore.
And then
I know the way the ingredients go
Do I
in.
mix? This seems a lot. Whoa.
Gentle.
This doesn't seem like real slime.
If you would like color, now is the time to add color.
Orange.
It looks
I want lime green. Is that yellow and green?
I think so.
How many drops of yellow?
2.
I just want green.
How many drops of this?
3.
Whoops, that was 2. That's 3.
Can I have the green?
Ooh.
And I want mine green.
Now do I mix it?
How many drops?
Yeah. Oh wow. That does not look like lime green right now.
Oops.
Starting to turn lime green.
What?
Now the water's just turning
Look,
lime green.
I made it a shape of a dice.
Mommy,
Look, guys, I made a
this isn't
shape of a
turning
dice.
out like real glue in the videos. It's just like in chunks, a bunch of chunks.
Whoa. Ah.
And after you've mixed your color,
There's
you
still
need
lots of-
another cup of water.
So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this away a while, and we're gonna take the mixing stick away entirely. What I'm doing is, but now we need some borax. So let me get a half teaspoon of borax.
1 teaspoon.
Is this 1 teaspoon?
Yes, sir. Flatten it out. Flatten it out.
We'll flatten it out. How do I flatten it out?
Ty, help him.
So you just rub your finger over it.
Oh.
Now you gotta have a teaspoon.
Is that this half teaspoon?
A teaspoon.
And then
Yeah.
put that in there.
Yeah.
Now my turn to teaspoon.
And
No, I need the.
I need to mix it.
mix it with your stick.
Oh. So Tyler actually put his borax into his glue on accident. He wasn't listening. But, so I'm pretty sure I will make pretty much the right kind of slime. Tyler's already pretty much done with it though. Is this all we need to do? We're done? Now, we put all that on. There we go. Now do we need to mix it?
Yep. Scoot it back onto the paper.
Now put a cup away and then grab the mixing stick and then we need our mixing sticks again and then start mixing it.
Slow.
This looks like a stretchy slime to me.
Yeah.
That's what I want my slime to
Oh my
look like, so I
goodness.
can
Why,
stretch
look.
it and then make a bubble. Oh. So is the slime just attached into the stick?
Yeah, you have to peel it off. Look, I made a worm. It's spinning
What
in
I'm
circles.
gonna do is I'm gonna take this.
Mom, Can I show the kids I made it sneak?
Mommy, is this like real
I made
slime?
this.
Oh, me.
Okay.
Mommy, does this look like real slime to you?
It does.
We don't have all of it on yet. And all of it hasn't turned into slime yet.
Why don't you put the stick down and start using your hands?
Like to mix
Like
it?
scrape it off this.
Yep. You kind of mix it and
Ooh.
squeeze it together. That's what they call kneading. You do that when you're making dough.
I'm trying to get it off of the stick.
I already got mine off
Well,
the
that's
stick.
good. Is it okay?
I'm gonna pull my sleeves down. What do I do? My brother actually did it. Ooh, stretchy. Is this it? Have I done it? Let me try and flatten it to see. Not all of it. Almost, though.
Sticking to me.
Just look at it. You can see almost all of it.
I need a paper
You
towel.
see, this part isn't, that part isn't slimy yet. Keep doing this until it becomes part of the slime.
Here's a paper towel for your hands. Here's a paper towel for your hands.
I think I've done it. Maybe if I flatten this out, and then
It's like sliding.
that's what slime is supposed to do. I don't want to.
Oh.
I'm gonna stretch my slime out. Stretch it out and then make a bubble. Oh, it didn't work. I want to make a bubble.
Oh no. It's stuck.
We're blowing bubbles with our slime now. Oh, it popped. So we'll put it together and flatten this out. Tyler's isn't working. Oh, kind of is. Yay! Tyler's is working. Mine is working better than his though.
Could I try?
Hold on. Where's the bubble? Oh, it doesn't have enough room. Oh, it has like holes right here.
Hold it.
How big was that exactly? Very big.
That was like a balloon.
No.
This was bigger than my last one.
Ah.
That was a big pop. Get my stick away. Here, Tyler, you want me to help you? You want me to help you?
I want to try yours.
And then I can try yours.
Kind of, if you want to. I don't really know how to fold it. Can I try to play with yours? Because mine isn't really good. His is breaking apart too.
That's how it's that's what it's supposed to be like. Your slime is more like dry and wet.
Mm-hmm.
My slime's like wet and stuff. I need to get this in. This doesn't fold very well. Look at this.
What?
Yeah, no. You big booty. I'm just touching it. That looks like a big booty. You can't really blow a bubble with this one. Mine is based. I made it the right way. Tyler made his slime the wrong way.
Aw.
I made my slime the right way.
I'm so dead.
Blowing out of the bubble.
Okay.
I'm just thinking. Bye, guys. I'm gonna leave. Why it's still gonna do?
Because it's, you guys, you can keep watching me if you want to. But if you don't want to watch the rest of the video, then you can go. But I would more than likely I would want you to watch till the end of the video because I might blow a crazy big giant bubble. I don't actually know. Because it's not like we know what we're going to do at the end of the video. It's not like those kind of videos. Like, watch till the end of the video or else you'll miss something really cool. Like, it's not like those kind of videos, but it still could be really cool. If I go like over here, I bet you I can blow a big bubble in the middle. I want to go like right here so I can blow a bubble in the middle of the slime. So let me push my straw over to the middle of the slime and then push this like this so I can smush it like that. So I can push this together.
It's bigger than your head.
I've never blown it. This is the bigger bubble than the last bubble. This bubble does not want to pop, does it, Mommy? Oh, it popped. Oh my gosh, this is the whole bubble. Guys, so we don't have any more time today to keep recording, but I will keep playing with this because we will have fun. Because Mommy's phone is getting a little hot, so we had to turn it off because we have to turn it off because we don't want it to overheat. But for now, make sure to keep doing fun. Don't forget to keep doing fun stuff. Take breaks from electronics. Don't be like my dad and play games all day. And shout out to Riley and Brady for watching this if they do watch this video. Bye for now. Bye.